Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Sissy and thank you for watching this video today. Before we get any farther, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you never miss when I post a video. So as you guys can tell by the title, and as you can tell by just how everything is looking, guess what? You already know. I got a ring light. Yeah, I got a ring light, and just look how much better this quality is. Like, just look at this quality. Let's just take a minute to admire this quality, okay? So yeah, I got this ring light from eBay. It was about, I think it was like $55, which y'all know ring lights are like so much money. Like so much, like hundreds of dollars. And you know, I ain't buying like that yet. Okay, I'll be buying like that one day, but until then, this $55 ring light is going to do just fine. So yeah, I got this ring light from eBay for like $55. I will leave the link in the description box below where you can purchase it. So yeah, I think it took about a week to get here. It actually got here before, it got here earlier than what it said it would get here. So that's good. So yeah, this is, I'm just so, yeah, I'm just so happy I have a ring light now. But let me turn it off. And mind you, like, I don't have the room light on. I'm sitting by a window, so there's a little bit of light, but there's like not much. So let me turn it off so you can see. That's off, y'all. Like, look at that. Like, let me turn it back on. See, and you can adjust the brightness. So this is, ooh, this is really bright. So you can adjust the brightness. And I'm just gonna leave it right here. So yeah, and you can just, you can see like details better with this ring light. So now that I have this ring light, you guys could be expecting more, you know, makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, whatever, because now, like, I've been wanting to film a makeup tutorial, but I was like, I'm not gonna give them a tutorial yet because my lighting is not gonna be good, and like, you know, I just want to like give like the best for you guys. Does that make sense? Like, I want to give the best that I can give you guys. So this ring light is popping, y'all. So if you're thinking about going to buy a ring light and you're looking at like a $300 ring light or whatever, or you're looking at a $120 ring light and you think that's cheap, get this ring light right here, okay? $55. You can't go wrong. It's awesome. It came with, because I film on my, I can't even talk. I film on an, okay, let's try this again. I film on an iPhone X. Came with the little piece that you need to hold your phone, and it came with the little tripod thing already. Because I know some ring lights, it just comes like with the light, and you have to like buy the tripod and buy the lens and the whatever. So it already came with the light, and it also came with hold on, y'all, let me get it. It also came with another lens thing, not a lens, but I don't know what to call these. But this is like, I guess for a more dim setting. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but see, I'm just gonna like kind of sit it on top. It's kind of like, you know, it's more intimate setting, but I guess if you're having like one-on-one talks about something, this would be the one to use. I don't know. I'll probably never use this. I might, I don't know. But yeah, it came with this. And it came with, okay, y'all, I had to grab it. It came with, it's not really instructions, but it's just like pictures of like it's just pictures showing you, you know, what you're supposed to do is like 1, 2, 3, like the steps, step-by-step guide. It's 12 steps. Honestly, I didn't even need this. It's like pretty common sense to how to put it together, because the tripod already came like together. You just had to like put the actual ring light onto the tripod and screw it in or whatever. But that was like really easy. It's just common sense. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know, y'all. I love this ring light. Somewhere I would insert a video of like the box it came in, probably right here. So yeah. It's like the box it came in. It's a really big box. Yeah, so tell me, what do you think about this ring light? Can you tell the difference in my videos? Does it look better? Are you gonna buy it? If you have this ring light, let me know. But yeah, y'all. And also, if you guys haven't watched my tutorial, like I did a few months back on how to tie a scarf like this, because I know somebody in the comments gonna be asking, sis, how'd you tie your scarf and whatever. I already have a tutorial on how to do this. It's the same exact scarf, just different color. I'll link it right here, so go watch that if you want to know. And thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy the quality of this video. Yeah, the quality. Hope you guys enjoy the quality of this video. I'm really excited to have more videos coming for you guys now that I have a ring light. Yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe. Of course, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Look, wait. Hi, YouTube. You want me to put this clip in my video? Let me kiss. Hi. Hi, everybody.